Wow, cute sketch pen color. Let's use this color in this video. Do you like this color? Here are 12 shades of colors. They are so cute and so smooth. Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. I am back with a new video for you. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful slippers in an easy way. Follow my every steps and try to draw with me. I will color these slippers after drawing. I completed to draw the picture. Now let's start to color it. First one I am using deep pink color. Color, which color do you want? I want deep pink color. Let's use the red color. Color, which color do you want? I want red color. Here I am using turquoise color. Color, which color do you want? I want turquoise color. Wow, the slippers is looking so beautiful. You should also try to draw it. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new video very soon. Till then, bye bye little champs. Wow!